Lately, I haven't been myself. I haven't been for a long time, to be honest. It used to be buzzing with laughter and life. Now, it's just quiet. It's like the world stopped spinning. I'd feel it in my bones, in my heart, in every fiber of my being. The sun stopped being warm. The night stopped being cool. The birds no longer sang. When you left, the world as I knew died. I did too. There's a version of me that died quietly between hope and reality. I visit him often, but he never looks back. You should know, I see you in the flowers. I hear you in the breeze. I close my eyes and I see you. I cuddle you in my shadows. You're the sunshine of my face. If I suddenly was to leave without a notice, a kiss, some part of words,